Okay, and this is the way it works. I'm gonna show the Pro, the Pro Plus, and a little bit of the Ultimate. And I put this big cursor so you can see it with this. Okay, so this is the way it works. You create a new client here and enter the social security, date of birth, and probably you would like to scan the social security, W-2s, driver's license, anything to do the proof of identity. We are compatible with many credit report providers and like Privacy Guard, Enhanced ITP, 53 Identity Alert, Credit Keeper, Identity Secure, Check Credit Toro, True Credit, Identity Monitor, ITC Sentinel, etc. So actually there are many credit report providers they are compatible with, and this is the way that you will, let's say, send your client to Privacy Guard that costs $1 for the first month, and so it's gonna be really inexpensive, and then you can enter into the credit report with your client's permission, of course, and then simply grab the whole credit report like I'm doing here. I'm grabbing it, put it into the Windows clipboard by selecting it all, and then put it into the copy in the whole thing, and we enter then into the dispute area and extract all the disputes with a couple of clicks. So this is what it takes, more or less 5 to 6 hours in other software. They're really slow and tedious, and this one will take 10 seconds. And so, but not only that, we see here that we have extracted 41 disputes, and here we have all the reasons that you see in yellow. I mean the pop-up, the tooltip, all the reason for the disputes. The creditors have been extracted automatically, the letters have been assigned automatically, the dispute types have been assigned automatically: judgment, charge-off, collections, inquiries, charge-off, inquiries, late payments. The accounts have been extracted automatically, the amounts, the dates for the inquiries, the credit bureau that the item belongs to, and the date when you should send it. So it's not only the extraction of creditors, accounts, and amounts, but also the assignment of reasons, letters, dispute types, and dates that is performed in those 10 seconds, saving you pretty much 1 day per client. Another big feature that differentiates us with other software is the ability to work with all the clients at once. While in other software you need to go client to client, selecting disputes and pretty much typing and printing each client, so a handful of clients will take the whole day. In Credit Money Machine, you can click in the morning and find all the clients due to print. So you click this button, all your clients, and 1 second later we have, in this case, selected 117 disputes that are all due disputes. All the disputes are due for printing today among all clients: Douglas, Brian, Edna, Shane, DeLon, Kirk, Rick, Ivan, Josh, etc. So that means that it doesn't matter if you have 100 or 1,000 clients. It's just 2 clicks: one to find or due to print, and another one to print all the disputes. For our example, I'm gonna do it just with the current client for obvious reasons. So I have a manageable number. So I have 3 late payments here for Apple sample, and I have status to do, and the follow-up date is blank. I'm gonna print to the screen so you can see it, and I'm gonna print them all. I can also collate Social Security, W-2s, etc. with 1 click, and then that is important because it will be collated. You don't have to keep doing photocopies, whatever. And so I'm gonna click all of them. Remember, we're printing 3, but it could be 300. Okay, so because it's just okay, so it's right here. So a few seconds later we have the 3 letters. Okay, we have the first one for Equifax, second for Experian, and third for TransUnion. If you notice, when I move quickly, the letters are different, and that is because we have an internal spinner system that creates unique letters every time that you print them, in order to avoid detection by the OCRs of the credit bureaus. But they are under your control. That means that you can put more spinning, less spinning, no spinning, whatever. Everything is under your control. Remember that this program is designed to be that all elements, all the pieces of the business are under your control. The program, the website, if you want to get our website too, and also the portals that I'm going to show you in a few seconds. So so here you can see these three became in progress automatically, and the date to follow up also was filled automatically. And the first round indicator is in 1, so everything is automatic. Then when you receive the responses from credit bureaus, there's also ways to compare future reports with this one automatically. That there is another video for that you can check. This is called paper deletion, so we can see that independently, but it's also possible. And when you receive an answer from your client, which is the most usual way, you're gonna change the status, let's say to delete it. But if the status is not changed, meaning that it was verified, for example, I'm gonna put no change here, you see, so it becomes in yellow. Well, the way it works is that you will click duplicate, it will create a duplicate here without the follow-up with today's date, and you can click the next button and automatically it will change the letter to the next letter that you should send. So everything pretty much is automatic, but also it's under your control. So if you wanna send let's say a letter to a creditor, for example, you can do that. You check this button so the envelope goes to the creditor, maybe select a different letter like 15 days constructive notice to collection agency, etc. And you can do all that. Now this letter, because it's to do and is the date is to date or before, it will be selected automatically, and then when it's printed, the indicator, the round indicator, will go to number 2. So you will be visually, you will be pretty much in control and will know what's going on. As a matter of fact, we can do it just for this example. I can print this one only. I should print them all, etc. But I'm gonna do only this one so you can see what's going on. And this one will create the other letter, the second letter, so to speak. Even though I don't like the word round too much, okay? But it will create the second letter, and the round will become second automatically, and this one will become in progress as appropriate. Okay. Now, talking about the portals, as I said, our portals are special because they're going to be inside your own domain name, meaning your own domain, under your control, under your supervision, not depending on the life of the vendor. And in this case, let's assume that Harrison Bank is an affiliate, and I have a sample here, and it's an affiliate, and this is a portal for an affiliate. This is an affiliate portal, and it's bilingual, Spanish-English, to the push of a button, and you can see how fast it is, and it's extremely fast. Well, one of the reasons is that is not shared with anyone else. It's only for you. So you are the only one that is hosting this portal, and because of that, extremely fast. This one would be your company information. Here is all the information that you want to convey to the affiliate. Even you can have 100 pages website below here, so you can have whatever you want, cross sales, upsells, whatever. You can post that directly from the program. In the referral tab, your affiliate can see at a glance all the clients and prospects that they have referred to you. They can also communicate with you. They can send you attachments, maybe through the portals, maybe another credit report or something, and also can refer you clients that will go automatically into Credit Money Machine, into Credit Money Machine Pro Plus or Ultimate, creating a new client and populating the fields. Also, they can enter, if you allow it, it's under your control too, they can enter into the client portal. So now in the client portal, we're seeing it here. In the client portal, it's also bilingual, okay, Spanish, English. This would be your affiliate information. This would be your information, your company information. This is the summary for the 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, for all the things that you have done for this client. And again, this is the client portal. And then we have a detailed view where your client can see at a glance, because it's color coded, so it's very easy to understand what's going on. It's easy to perceive what's going on instead of having to analyze it each and every time. All the disputes that you have done or you're gonna do in the future, what is the status of all that, with a short explanation here that they can move and to analyze, and they can communicate with you through these fields here individually for each dispute. Also, they can send you the responses from the credit bureaus or contracts or whatever through the portal too. In this attachment area, they can communicate for questions. We have an integrated knowledge database that is under your control, so you can add the questions and things like that. And we have also an integrated referral system for your client that will go into the Pro Plus or Ultimate and automatically create a new client and populate the fields. And so it's perfectly possible to put a comment from the client, I mean from the program, sorry, that for example says, congratulations for your deletion, will you refer as a friend? And then, you know, they are in the proper mood to refer you a friend. And so going back to this other one below, I hope I'm gonna click the right X here, and we have also the opportunity to have a website if you don't have one. Obviously it's gonna be with your name, and but with this website you can, it is interactive, and your clients and affiliate can log in. Plus we have an application form that will go into the Pro Plus or Ultimate and create a new client, populating all the fields automatically. The same for an inquiry form that we have here, frequently asked questions for your clients information. So it looks very professional. Resources area, education center, and affiliate sign up, so to sign up your affiliates, and other areas. One of the most important features of this website that will be yours forever is that it has an integrated website editor, so you can change the content of all the areas in the website, including the logos and image, very much with ease. Even you can add Facebook information and Twitter that automatically will pop up at the bottom when you add that. So it has some SEO capabilities, and actually it's very cheap. You see like this one, so they can enter directly into your Facebook account and or follow you on Twitter. So this is a website that is interacting in two ways. It receives the forms from the credit, from your clients, and also can receive the portals that you send from the program. Again, all the pieces are under your control. The website is under your control. The portals are under your control, and also the software is under your control because it will reside in your computer. And additionally, the website, the program has an integrated credit card and debt reduction analyzer, a budget center, amortization loan center, task manager to control, to follow up with leads and prospects. If you notice here, we have 127,000 contacts, and the speed of a program is fantastic. So your business is not going to outgrow our software ever. You can have hundreds of thousands, not a problem whatsoever. We have really a very strong platform. Then we have an integrated also telemarketing system, and we provide all the scripts that you can use to talk to the different industries like auto dealers, mortgage brokers, piano stores, furniture stores, etc., and solicit their declines. And then you can have a disposal of the call here and some charts, etc. And then we have also a personal agenda integrated and payment manager. This will be for the Pro version. Then for the Pro Plus, additionally, we have a full-fledged integrated invoice system, accounts receivable, account payable, check writing, bank reconciliation, charge of credit cards, integration with checks by phone, and check draft writing, so you can receive checks from your client, print them in your printer, and deposit it into your bank account without your client's signature. Also, a financial desktop to see at a glance the status of your company, agent forecast, etc. And a very powerful email system that automatically, for example, let's say that this was a client, and automatically can go and select all the emails for that client automatically with one click. You see here 294, and this was selected out of 163,000 emails, okay, that we have here. So basically it's a very, very powerful email system. Also integrated is an auto messenger. This auto messenger allows to have unlimited auto messengers, and in each one you can have unlimited templates that you can send automatically and assign to one or multiple contacts with these, and that way you can promote to affiliate prospects, for example. So this will be the Pro Plus, and it has other areas, a parsing system, etc. Obviously, we have a template manager, and the templates manager is practically the core of the letters. You can have unlimited categories and unlimited letters inside each category, and this is a way to have your own templates if you like. You can duplicate it, you can create your own categories, you can do whatever you want because everything is under your control. You can produce emailings in Blast, you can do printing, faxes, we are integrated with DocuSign, etc. And then just briefly, I would say the ultimate has a lot of emphasis into marketing. So the ultimate will have all these wonderful areas for marketing, like zip code, local leads finder, or website prospecting analyzer, tracking of marketing campaign, Twitter schedulers, integrated survey system, tracking of marketing campaigns, social media submitter, business and marketing ideas, bulk emailing, competitors analyzer, articles manager, affiliate media marketplace. So these are more and more things that you can have potentially in the future. So again, we have a line of credit repair that your business will never outgrow. You can see here time manager, resources, events and projects, e-commerce, domain manager, web store creator, website manager. We have FAQ and troubleshoot ticket system, image manager, knowledge database, list manager, goals, on track manager, passwords and license manager, very important, purchase and follow-up manager, strategy, blueprints and procedures, subscription manager, visual desktop, visual file cabinet, etc. All these design and everything in between, visual calculator, matrix analyzer. We have everything that you can imagine to control and manage with this, with a few clicks, to manage your whole company. So the one that I recommend would be definitely the Pro Plus to start, because it's the one that has all the features that your business needs, not only you, but your business as a whole. Every business needs an invoices, a way to control payments, a way to communicate with people, to promote to prospects, etc. And if you don't have that handy, you can do it with other software, but that means more repetition. You can charge credit cards with other software additionally. Yeah, but you need to repeat the information every time. Well, you have it here. You are in control. You can inform your client, and at the same time you are informed. So that's basically a quick overview of how it works, and thank you.